a video of you sneezing. How to sneeze with Macy. You need to go take this medicine. Whoa. She keeps sneezing. Okay, so.
No.
What? Right, are you ready? You're not gonna sneeze?
I think so.
Right. What? How is that? This is a joke. What do you say to me? Try. Cabbage. Cabbage.
No. No.
You're gonna sneeze again. Give you a big squeeze like this. And then we'll be best sisters forever. I swear to God. Love you. If you want to see her sneezing more in some other videos, then like below and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, not this little minger.
Hey, you're a minger.
Ow. But
Everyone don't listen to her. Don't listen to Ashley.
But yeah, so all the links to find me will be below. But thank you for watching and
Don't listen.
goodbye.